Imagine this, you wake up one morning with a brilliant business idea. You're excited to bring it to life, but there's one problem: you need a website. Traditionally, this would mean hiring a developer, spending weeks on design, and burning a hole in your wallet. But what if you could create a stunning, fully functional website in just minutes, thanks to AI? That's now a reality. Creating a website used to require coding knowledge, design expertise, and endless hours of work. But with AI-powered website builders, all you need is an idea. These platforms do the heavy lifting for you, automating everything from layout design to content creation and SEO optimization. Today, we're going to explore how you can leverage AI to create a website in minutes, step by step. The first step in this journey is selecting the right AI website builder. There are plenty of options available, each offering unique features tailored to different needs. Some of the most popular AI-powered website builders include Wix ADI, Hostinger AI Website Builder, Framer AI, Durable, and 10Web. These platforms analyze your requirements and generate a ready-to-go website in seconds. Some even include AI-driven tools for branding, text generation, and design recommendations. Once you've chosen your AI website builder, the next step is to provide basic information about your website. This typically includes selecting your industry, specifying your website's purpose, and adding any relevant details about your brand. AI uses this information to generate a template that aligns with your vision. In many cases, you can even upload your logo and brand colors, and the AI will adjust the website's theme accordingly. Now comes the fun part: customizing your AI-generated website. While the AI creates a functional and aesthetically pleasing design, you still have control over customization. You can tweak layouts, change fonts and colors, and even rearrange elements on the page. Some AI builders provide a drag-and-drop interface, allowing you to refine your design effortlessly. This ensures your website not only looks professional but also reflects your unique brand identity. Content is king, and AI can help generate compelling text for your website as well. Many AI website builders include built-in content generators powered by natural language processing. These tools can create headlines, product descriptions, service details, and even blog posts based on your industry and target audience. If you prefer a personal touch, you can edit the content AI generates or add your own text while maintaining SEO best practices. Speaking of SEO, AI website builders go beyond just aesthetics and content. They optimize your site for search engines by suggesting keywords, meta descriptions, and structured data. This ensures that your website ranks higher on Google and attracts organic traffic. Additionally, some AI platforms analyze competitors' websites and offer insights to improve your own site's performance. A website isn't complete without images and multimedia. AI can assist in selecting the best visuals for your site by recommending stock images, generating AI-powered illustrations, or even enhancing existing images. Some platforms offer AI-driven image enhancement tools, allowing you to sharpen, resize, and edit photos without requiring design experience. This means you can create a visually appealing website without needing expensive photo editing software. Integrations are another crucial aspect of AI website creation. Many AI website builders support third-party integrations for marketing tools, e-commerce solutions, social media, and email automation. If you plan to sell products online, AI can generate an e-commerce-ready website with built-in payment gateways, inventory management, and automated sales tracking. For businesses that rely on appointment scheduling, AI can integrate booking systems directly into the site. One of the biggest advantages of using AI to create a website is the speed of deployment. Traditional website development can take weeks or even months, but AI-generated sites can be live in minutes. Once your website is ready, AI tools can continue to enhance it by tracking user behavior, suggesting updates, and automating maintenance tasks. Some platforms even include chatbots that engage with visitors and answer their questions in real time. Security is another key consideration, and AI website builders incorporate built-in security features to protect your site from threats. AI continuously monitors for vulnerabilities, automatically updates security patches, and offers SSL encryption to safeguard user data. This is especially important for e-commerce websites that handle sensitive customer information. After launching your AI-powered website, it's time to analyze its performance. Many AI website builders provide analytics dashboards that track visitor engagement, page views, and conversion rates. AI can also offer actionable recommendations for improving your site's performance. For example, If certain pages have high bounce rates, AI might suggest layout changes or content adjustments to keep visitors engaged. The world of AI-powered website creation is just getting started, and its potential is limitless. As AI continues to learn and improve, it will only become more powerful in helping individuals and businesses establish their online presence. If you haven't explored AI website builders yet, now is the perfect time to dive in and experience the future of web design firsthand. Your website is the digital face of your brand. Thanks to AI, you no longer need to be a developer or a designer to create something amazing. You just need an idea and AI will handle the rest. So go ahead, take advantage of AI technology, and build your dream website in minutes.